Nice.
Nux. You have to trust it, man. I was about to put on the brake.
No, I'm like, did you see me doing this? Just
Yeah.
let it eat.
Let it eat, and it finally gripped. That was good video. Stormy does the shoot, episode 3.
We'll see. Yeah, that's awesome.
That was stressful.
How did it
bet.
feel?
I just had to trust it. I'm like, okay, he'll say brake. I mean, I'll see this, right? And then I lost your hands at one point.
Oh.
But that's okay. And I was like, I'll see this if he wants me to brake.
Yeah.
And then you said to turn a little bit, and it finally gripped.
Yeah. Well,
That was stressful.
You got to warm the tires up.
That was stressful. Does it do that for you?
Yeah.
In that same spot?
No, it's never been this wet. You did it the hardest it's ever been done.
Yeah, Dave, you want to take it? You want to do it? You could do it. Episode 4, Dave does the shoot. Episode 5, Ruby does the shoot. You know.
It's getting cold.
It is getting cold.
Sun's going down.
That was awesome, but yeah, I really had to trust it. My blood pressure's high.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Yeah, my heart rate, 137.
That's fine.
Buffed.
Yeah.
That's lower than my blood pressure.
Yeah.
Hey, Mike.
Okay.
Remember Jaron? Let's see if Elvis wants to crawl it.
You want to try that one?
I think I'm good. Yeah. I've had my fill. I'm good, but you can try it.
No, you can't leave it there. Come on down in.
Well, I'll let you.
Turn to the right.
Okay.
We'll just come off that hill.
I'll let you, because I don't like downhill. I struggle with the downhill.
Can you brake set?
No, but I will. I'll let you, just because I'm good, because I need to recover.
Set it a little harder. Set the brake a little harder. There you go.
Yeah. I just need
That's the
to.
drawer. That's the drawer.
I need to recover a little bit. I barely could breathe.
I was about to have lung failure, heart
Were you?
failure.
I just kept
failure.
seeing his hands, and then for a minute there, I lost your
I
hand.
was not stressed
He
at
was
all.
doing the hoppy thing.
Yeah.
Oh, for a good 40 seconds, 50.
Maybe 10.
Maybe 12.
Felt
It
like
seemed
a
long.
lifetime. Come on,
Ruby is
Ruby!
like in full,
Come on, Ruby!
She gone.
Oh,
There
yes,
she
a
is.
good girl. She's gonna sleep good tonight. Yeah, you are.
Oh my God.
Where's your toy?
So hon, look back on what you came up.
Yeah, I know. That was intense.
That's legit,
I
right?
want you to share that with me. Stormy does the shoot. That's a killer episode right there.
Did you like it?
No, not
really.
not really.
Let's be honest here.
Did I like it? No, I was nervous, but I was like, he's gonna get ticked if I put on the brakes. And I kept seeing your fingers twirl, and so I'm like, I'm not gonna put on the brakes.
I'm like, come on.
Hey,
Hey, who hit the corner here?
me probably on the shoot.
No, that was that one time when we had to throw the winch on it.
Oh, that was the winch fest?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we did it, you guys. Let's go eat. I'm feeling good. That was fun. That was my thrill for the day. I'm glad you got that on film.
Yeah, that's caught.